Welcome to the channel, everybody. Welcome to the Dogman walking channel. We're walking. All right, I'm gonna do a couple laps here. I've already done one, and then I'm gonna stop and take Libby on her walk for the last lap. Yeah, we're doing a late afternoon walk. I'm kind of busy today. Had to go to town, so we're gonna go ahead and knock this out. 65 degrees, can't complain about that. All right, here we go. Took the leaf blower. Well, these didn't have any leaves, but I kind of went over all the trails. I've burned a lot of these limbs up. Still a lot to go. Get you guys down here. But we're getting there, man. We got so much to do, I just have a hard time picking what needs done the worst. So it's going to be a busy winter. All right. Still got to get in here, boy, picking that stuff up. It's got those thorny vines all through it. It isn't fun. We're just going to walk around the back today. A lot of traffic today. There always is in the afternoon, everybody coming home from work. So these trails are still a workout. I don't see any. Oh, almost tripped. I don't see any gnomes out. Alright, we'll do 2 or 3 laps. And I'll pick this little goofball up and we'll go take her for a walk. Are you ready? Let me go do a couple laps. I gotta do a couple laps. You sniff too much. I'll get you. Let me do another lap or 2. Yeah, I took the leaf blower and blew all the leaves off of this trail. Couldn't hardly see it before. But you can see it now. Now look, guys. It's all clear in here. Fire pit's burnt down. Alright, we'll speed this lap up. Let's play a song. And I'm gonna pick up Miss Libby and we'll walk her.
Well, and I punched out at 5 p.m. Too damn tired to drive home again. But I found the strength to get to the bar. Crack a cold beer sitting in my car. I was feeling buzzed when I walked in. Sitting in the corner was a perfect 10. Now I ain't one to stretch the truth, but the whiskey kicked in and my mouth got loose. Well, I might have said a thing or two that wasn't true, but give me just a minute, girl, I promise you. Well, I told you I was wealthy as a man could get. Told you I would fly on my private jet to my house in the hills, driving my Corvette. Oh, it ain't no lie, it just ain't true yet. Well, the look on your face when we pulled up to my mobile home in my beat-up truck. Beer cans floating in my blow-up pool.
Come on, you cannot be tangled up already. Let me. Billy, stay away from her. Come on. We're not sniffing everything that exists. Alright guys. Figure that's long enough. We're going to go a couple laps. And we will see you on the next one. Happy trails.